How to fix Free Fire login error. So if you want to fix your Free Fire login error, then what you need to do is you want to check your internet connection first. You can go with your control center and make sure that your Wi-Fi or your cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually strong. After that, you want to simply open up your Free Fire application. And inside your Free Fire application, you want to simply verify that you're using the correct account for your Free Fire. Make sure that your Google or Facebook or your Apple or BK account is correct. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, then what you want to do is simply clear up the app cache. For that, you need to tap and hold on to your Free Fire application, then go with the app info section. Once you tap on the app info, you need to go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK. After clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. Now you can go back and then simply open up your application, and you won't face any kind of login error after that. That's how you can fix your Free Fire login error. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.